everyone, welcome to the episode 5 of our Amazon Find series. Today I'm going to show you some Pinterest inspired room decor that is perfect for anyone who loves minimal and classy aesthetic. Whether you're looking to revamp your space or just add a few subtle touches, these products are sure to elevate your home. First up, we have this hanger stand. Its sleek multifunctional design is perfect for adding a classy touch to any room. Made with engineered wood and plastic, it offers minimal stability while supporting multiple garments. With 8 multifunctional hooks, it's ideal for hanging jackets, bags, scarves and more. Now, let's talk about these vanity mirrors. These mirrors are a modern twist on traditional glass mirrors. Made from durable shatter-resistant acrylic, not only are they lightweight and easy to install, but they are also available in various shapes and sizes. If you're looking for a unique lighting solution, check out this acrylic DIY tulip mirror lamp. This lamp goes beyond just lighting, it also doubles as a mirror. During the day, it's a reflective surface, but by the night, it transforms into a stunning display of glowing flowers. It's fully customizable, so you can get creative and design it however you want. And the best part, it makes a fantastic personalized gift for your loved ones. Next, let's add a bit of luxury to your space with this multifunctional cosmetic storage box. This elegant dust-proof box keeps your cosmetics and accessories neatly stowed away while adding a touch of class to your vanity or bathroom. How about some cozy ambient lighting? This bonsai tree lamp is a beautiful LED lamp with 36 LED lights that mimic a bonsai tree. The branches are adjustable so you can shape it however you want, perfect for creating a personalized vibe to your room. It is a soft, gentle light that is ideal for creating a peaceful atmosphere, and it makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves unique decor. Finally, for those who need extra storage, this garment rack is a heavy-duty, stylish solution. Made from anti-rust stainless steel, this rack can hold up to 9 kg of clothes and accessories, making it perfect for your bedroom or laundry room. That's it for today's episode of Amazon Finds. Check out the product link in the description if you're watching it on YouTube, and check the bio if you're watching it on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned with Time Shopping Guide, your guide to smarter shopping.